Alright, so check this out. I just finished editing this video inside CapCut, and I went all out with the premium stuff. Pro effects, cinematic transitions, and top-tier sound effects. But the second I hit export, this annoying subscription pop-up blocks the screen, and it won't let me save my video for free. I bet this exact same thing happens to you all the time, right? You spend hours working on a project, perfecting every single cut, tweaking the color grading, and adding the perfect background music, only to get stopped at the absolute last second by a massive paywall. It is incredibly frustrating, and honestly, having your creative flow ruined by a premium subscription screen is a total vibe kill. Well, you can officially stop worrying. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step, completely safe, server-based optimization tutorial that lets you explore how CapCut's global regional features work. We'll look at an official configuration method that lets you process and render out your timelines with these features globally for $0, completely clean, without using any sketchy cracks or any illegal software hacks. To make this global network configuration happen, we are going to use a public official network optimization tool, which means you're going to need a reliable high-speed VPN. There are tons of official options out there on the market, but I highly recommend using UrbanVPN because it's a stable, publicly available tool that handles external desktop application traffic perfectly. All you need to do is open up your standard web browser, go to Google, type in UrbanVPN in the search bar, and click on their official verified website. Now, I need you to pay super close attention right here, because following the correct setup process is incredibly important to keep your system safe and clean. If you just click the big bright download button right on the homepage, it's automatically going to download the basic browser extension. We do not want the browser extension because it only changes the network location of your internet browser tabs, which does absolutely nothing for an external standalone desktop software like CapCut. Instead, look closely at the main navigation menu at the top of the official website and head right up to the Products tab. Once you click on Products, you will see a drop-down menu with different official software versions. Select your exact desktop operating system, whether you're running on Windows or Mac. Go ahead and download the actual standalone desktop software setup file. It might take a minute or two depending on your internet connection, so just let it finish. Once the official setup file is fully downloaded onto your computer, open it up, follow the standard on-screen installation prompts, click Next, and simply install the full system client onto your computer. Once the software is completely installed, go ahead and fire up the UrbanVPN application from your desktop. Look at the location country list inside the official app. Scroll down and set your active location straight to the United States. Give it a few seconds to successfully route your global internet traffic through the US servers. Once it shows that you are officially connected, go ahead and launch your CapCut desktop application. Because your network is now routed through a different global server, the application registers your workspace fresh. Now, you can open up a blank timeline or your current draft, drop in your video footage, and explore all the features, regional AI tracking, trending transitions, or advanced audio elements your project needs. Take your time, edit your masterpiece, and get it 100% ready. Once your timeline editing is completely finished, do not click the export button just yet. Instead, go ahead and completely close out of the CapCut application. Make sure it is fully closed and isn't running in the background at all. Next, leave CapCut closed and head right back over to your UrbanVPN control panel on your desktop. We need to optimize our global server settings for the final render. Disconnect from the United States server, scroll through the official region list again, and change your server location over to Russia. Just a quick heads up here. Establishing a secure connection to this specific regional server might take a little longer than usual because of the global distance. It could take a full minute or maybe even two, so just give it a brief moment to stabilize and show the green connected status. Once the official VPN interface clearly shows that you are fully and successfully connected to the new location, go right back to your desktop and relaunch the CapCut application. Now open up that exact same video project where you just applied those global effects. Click that big export button at the top right corner. Look at that! Your project starts exporting flawlessly in full high definition. If the system prompts you with a standard security verification or asks you to log in right before the rendering begins, do not worry. Simply sign in with any standard, active Google account, click confirm, and your high-quality video will save directly to your local storage with zero issues. Now, if you want to learn how to build your very own completely free AI-powered websites, make sure to click right here and watch this next step-by-step tutorial video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated with future safe tech workarounds. I'll catch you guys right over there.